Okay, let me show you on this beautiful example. This is the Land Rover Discovery Dynamic SE, the D300, which is a 3-litre, 300 brake horsepower on a 73 registration with only 2,300 miles on. I was selling the same car only a few months ago for about £7,000 or £8,000 more, and this is why that's what makes this car a brilliant buy. And it's got loads of specifications. So whilst it's a dynamic SE, you've got all the colour-coded bumpers. It's then got things like the black styling pack, which is the badges, the grills, the inserts, the LED daytime running lights, LED rear lights, and the LED headlights as well. But then you've got features like 360 camera system, because that's what you get on the new model Discoveries. This being the dynamic SE, you have the upgraded bumpers here, the high gloss black on the in sections, on the front bumper as well. Front rear parking sensors, headlight washers, and then this car also has the 21-inch upgraded diamond turned wheels. The arch kit is all high gloss black, the side skirt, fixed side steps, and then remember the Discovery is a 7-seater. This one also has the contrasting black roof, the twin panoramic roof, but you've also got the sliding sunroof on the first one, which is pretty clever. Comfort access, the dual tone interior, which is the ivory and black with the white contrasted stitching, fully fitted mats, touchscreen media system, navigation, Apple CarPlay, full digital dashboard as well, air suspension, centre armrest with the captain seat, the short shifter, Meridian sound system. It's just got everything. It's practical. You get more than enough power. Great miles per gallon. It looks stunning. It's a 73 registration, so it's still under manufacturer's warranty for the remainder of the full 3 years. And that's what you need. It's just peace of mind, practical, easy to drive, being the automatic, lots of space. The LED lights are on the back, automatic tailgate, and then remember the third row seats aren't just baby seats or emergency seats, they're full-size seats, which are pretty clever as well because you can really make use of it. I'll quickly show you this as well, because you don't have to use every single seat. With them being individual, you can literally configure the car to what you want. Like I said, I was selling these cars for literally £7,000, £8,000 more. This being the D300 really stands out because a lot of them are D250s. And then, like I said, things like the sliding roof, that isn't standard. The contrasting black roof isn't standard. Side steps, another extra. Some have digital dash and some don't, but this one clearly does. You've got adaptive cruise control, lane assist, limiter, push button start, and then you've got voice control and stereo controls, heated seats, twin cup holders, 2 keys, wireless charging pad down below, and there's a 360 camera system with the 3D option as well, so you can see every single corner of the car. Love the interior finish. It's like brand new in every single way, and like I said, with 2,300 miles on, it barely has ran in. If you're looking for a car like this, my name's Joe, my name and number's on the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.